Hello, this is Sam Limo, your Texas Realtor. Just wanted to say thank you. Thank you for the opportunity to be able to sell your home. And we are here and ready to make it happen for you. I know you have two goals. Goal number one is to sell your house for the most money that you can get. Goal number two is to move out of your house as soon as possible. So we are ready to make it happen for you. And I'm going to share with you our 3 areas of study that is going to help us to get that buyer for you. The one that is going to love the price and be able to say, let me come and look at your house. So I'm going to share a screen here quick so that I can show you the tools on how we're going to do this and make it happen for you. So we will do 3 types of market study. Study number 1 is the active listings. Study number 2 is the expired listings. Study number 3 is the sold houses. I'm going to go over each of them. The active listings, these are your competition, the current houses in the market right now, who you'll be competing against. The expired listings, these are the failed promises. This is the people who wanted to sell their house, but they didn't because of some reason. So we're going to see how long they were in market and how high they were priced. The second one, or the third one, is going to be the sold homes. This is where we want you to be in the next 30 days or the shortest time possible. So we want you to be in the category of the people who sold. Remember, the purpose of the CMA is to determine the value of your home as the buyer looks at it. And as an appraiser of the bank will also look at it for the buyer. You remember that you love the house yourself, and we want to find you that buyer that loves your home. So that's the goal, and we're here to just make it happen for you. Thanks again, and my phone number is 214-498-4942. I can't wait for that day or that moment that we would have a sit down and share these numbers and arrive at the price that is going to help you sell your home as soon as possible. Thanks for the opportunity, and I look forward to assisting you. Again, my phone number is 214-498-4942. Let's schedule the time to talk about selling your new home and get you out of your house as soon as possible. Thanks for the opportunity. Be blessed.